and run Msenka Liverpool ashe sis na nka no asema na ebe kana messages no do na amenya na nra na no pay Real Madrid video bi a omode aba abontin I am Simon for kan say me ni say Tim Steiten or a former player Werder Bremen or Seattle Sounders and on the Bayer Leverkusen or more director of football.
Okay.
Now Liverpool Football Club and Tim Steiten didn't come out and then say on Benyano. My baba football director. Edi amo Musabria Junior World Econo. On in India on so Werder Bremen no muye Jumantino. I'm not so surprised Liverpool English club with a German manager. Now I'm a German director of football. I'm not so surprised because it is what it is. But he's a very good, one of the very best in the system of Germany currently. I'm saying not Chelsea crap penal. A brand no more sporting director, Leipzig the any young born, but Salzburg the young born. So that's the latest information. They are still on the rebuild. Bibian is grab him back. Grab him back. You know. I think I'm not signing great area. Now Real Madrid for no video na babontin no nyina 17 in the titin nyina ne say enche bia na wow beka say referee bi koje 7.3 million
Negrera
Nesremu yenye no Nesremu dem nyimfiri so na Negrera no Jose Maria Enriquez Negrera na oya referee's chief assistant na oji sika contract 7.3 na
I'm say almost be 18 years.
Okay. So Monday no Wala Porter acquired press conference. And Okasa Real Madrid ninya favors from the referees historically. And Nesu Kromo da sunya. Na omuye regime club. Na regime club ina akofa nsem bebre aba. Na numu na Real Madrid se omo so be kire ni oye regime club. Na enkomo bi se no se yedi a eya na bro ni say your perspective. I always say my voice nka good enough. Na ma to kakra. Ba metra here. Mumbo Spain for anthem no mami. Spain national anthem e friend Marshal Royal, the Royal March. Mumi nti kakra.
Viva España, los brazos hijos del pueblo español, que vuelva a seguir. Gloria a la patria que supo seguir sobre el azul del mar, el caminar del sol.
Spain, just like most European countries, national anthem for two kokontokwa.
Sir,
most European countries, national anthem no a call to arms for two na be bomb mine hobby. Viva España, haz a los brazos hijos del pueblo español, que vuelva a seguir. Long live Spain, raise your arms, sons of the Spanish people who are rising again. Raise your arms. Nakofa utu. No, my name is Soribim. Glory to the fatherland that knew how to follow over the sea blue of the sea, the path of the sun. So Spain na ankasano utie national anthem ni bia fatu kokon. Fatu kokon. Ni nti amma etie national anthem no. Ebeduru ho e wo mo video no. So this is an attempt. About in the press conference in reference to Laporta. Real Madrid the Babonte se penny and play be anka wasem. It was deliberate. Se penny and say play a big wasema. It would take them away from their immediate focus. A game on Chelsea ball. Name omu ni kromo. Omu England. Na ombe jai sa operation to answer them. Ombe jai at the amount in-house TV no Real Madrid TV.
Okay.
And the Real Madrid TV and I say no. I'll say a pe be so near your man. So you've heard the Spanish anthem. You have a fair idea ninti ayedru baby ayedri and the actors involved. Now nipa oya reference point in Spanish regime a regimen of this club and regimen, the club of the regime. General Francisco Franco Bonahonde. Franco Ancasano one of the greatest European generals in the history of European geopolitics. At the age of 33, no a brigadier general. Hey, the entire Europe, he was the youngest general at that time.
No, I've been
pa. Franco ye wo Galicia baby a Celta Vigo mu was say no e ho na ye wo no na oko military academy and omo person omo di Spain asase omo man ni free Spain e ko Morocco e ko di Morocco asase enti owo Morocco ne ye no brigadier general at age 33.
Okay.
Enti omo hwe ne wa ye was Morocco asase no so no and omo sama ne ba Spain be the director of the military academy El Zaragoza na oyobi ana odo the monarchical politics of Spain. Not just say Spain to say Ghana no. Na ahemfo ne di oman no so. Ahemfo ne di oman no so then ye be to aba etu ahemfo no at the Second Republic of Spain ebai. Franco ye on 1892 and 1975. Beyond that, obetu aban in 1939 with the nationalist forces. From 1939 otu aban no oruli ya kosi 1975 oye. And in contemporary Spanish political history no General Franco ne era from 1939 to 75 no ye friend the Francoist regime and now the Franco Spain and España del Franco na sabrenum ena Barcelona gidi se no ka omushe na video ya ababontin eye ebufusem ne ehisem ntina Real Madrid for no years because e wo man Spain num no so obi atentesu kokko actually Franco any aban na e wo Madrid na for the purposes of komo ene no I will refer to Madrid as Castilla.
Okay.
Because in Spanish culture some na frame Madrid for no Castilla. Omo time omo kese pa no e Basque Bilbao for no.
Okay.
Now we cry there omo ye yama in 2004 omo the bomb e ko share metro train na nam krum no e bombe Madrid bombings.
Hey.
Ye from Euskadi ta Askatasuna ETA rebels. Omo free sro Basco e be this omo kundi pa bebre. Enti omo wadwe omo say Barcelona ntoko na omo kuno na enye se omo pese omo ti omo ana omo di omo name no pese omo control omo sika.
Okay.
Barcelona has the biggest port in Spain. It is more or less the economic capital of Spain.
Okay.
Caixa Bank, Mubobo na mu Caixa Bank, and the Banco Santander. Omo nyina offices, head offices of Barcelona. But capital is Madrid. So Madrid for Nigidi say, so bini atwea. It should be Bilbao for namodie e sikani bre nti namodie Franco. Na Franco, mo ba bonten betano. So na mo ni chesumase edi nkomo. So the video said omo video ne ba sesi ana hwe. The video is entitled Who is the Regime's Club? No. And one Laporta Ejina TV so aka say yenim na comparentia. So compare hwan ankasa and oye regime club. Obi nka nchiro. Free titi Real Madrid enya nioma sa free omo na Franco kra no ne time then they would refer to players. Alfredo Di Stefano. Nanka oba omo ho. And ye chim no and so ama Real Madrid see
Number 5.
And you know they are quick to refer to the obvious. Nemu Real Madrid say nyame anim nukreni senya musika asem no entesa na mo haha mo ani dudu na yento aso eba ya no mo say ye inaugurate Camp Nou no yesuma obi ma ne bai wan yesuma ne ma ne bai Franco ni top minister friend is Jose Solis Ruiz ono niema ne bai ono na general minister prime minister of Franco regime no.
Okay.
Enti obi amotan no obi amone ne wasem obi amunye ne club e ba ne say na oba be inaugurate club no. Now listen video no nipa oye bi hombe ma ni ska bebre.
Okay.
Ye be raw video no tewaso din out of foolishness Spain anthem no so obo keyboard ana bibia ready no to say Madam Catherine. So yento aso na dey say ombebo baby a me to Spain anthem no ma no a call to arms omo kan bibia kire tie
El gran estadio va a abrir sus puertas, pero antes, sobre su verde césped, el obispo auxiliar de Barcelona, doctor Jubany, oficiará la Santa Misa con el acto religioso que es vivo sentimiento de espiritualidad en la hora de rendir homenaje a la obra humana. El ministro secretario general del movimiento, don José Solís Ruiz, inaugurará en nombre del jefe del Estado el estadio del Club de Fútbol Barcelona. Acompaña al señor ministro el delegado nacional de Educación Física y Deportes, señor Elola.
Chief, yes, I'm possible. Ne oti Spain anthem na me boma on. Obi a wo se onye Spain ni. Oye anti the regime. E di nti na mo bo Spain anthem. E da ye mu no great company no. Adi nti na mo de Catalonia flag ne ba ye no. Mo sign the Spain flag e kan ho.
Okay.
So now Real Madrid are telling the world, so we mu no omo e fair weather friends. Omo hu abontia no mamu na ombesumwa no mo no abesre. Some time Franco ampa e no mo nya regime club enka omo nkofa no e ma ne ma e me inaugurate sa stadium no mo no mo sign boss Spain national anthem no because Catalonia is supposed to be anti-regime, but Bilbao for now nkomo boss anthem we all
most across the Spain flag
exactly. Omo no mo to aso say in 1965 omo ma Franco be an honorary member of the club e man 3 awards. Franco the military medal kese pa na friend Cordelio.
Okay.
Maybe we did Jumedru ye. So Real Madrid goes further ahead to say look, yeah munja nyatwom. Na Franco na mo ne te. Yen san to video no so. O to video no so na e bo play na e kwa. So for kese a oye cardinal of Spain then. And the buy oman kofa cardinal of Catalonia. Se Barcelona e cardinal. And that's omo bishop. Na nko betima archbishop of Barcelona. Na nko betima officiate sadi we. Na mom Spain na so for penny. And e kofa ne buy.
Meaning say cardinal we call Barcelona, he's under
exactly. Ti Spanish flag. And e dia him on. Ya raise e stadium e kosro. Inti mo da ben pa na mo be anti-regime no mo nkama inti. What is more important in this video by Real Madrid? And they say omunim, and it is clear in Spanish political history. Say Barcelona port no call for ntokwa na egu no. Barcelona Football Club no na also mo this free Franco or Madrid abaymu ebe save you from bankruptcy 3 times. Inti sa nipa we oye dey your townful. Mokoji scan so we asun here. Enti omo socials no na Ana Franco, Barcelona president. And aba General Franco or then medal man seje and you are a social member and honorary member of this great football club. Now sporting wise, omo say yen kano kre no bi enhu bi. El Barcelona con de coro en 3 ocasiones a Franco omo anane 3 times. On 3 occasions, they honored Franco. Na football side, no, I want to remember the Barcelona TV video. Almost say Franco nya yate. Waji play amamo yate. Wasisimo yate. Eba ne sena mo sabrenum. Muje La Liga no 8 times.
That time when I'm okase Madrid from omu favor. Now omu favor Madrid for long time.
Eba ne sen and amuje 8 times. Ompeso omu. 2. Copa del Rey ya boni se say ne friend Copa del Rey sabre no. Ne friend Copa del Generalissimo. Ntina se body ama General Franco na nyanka no kre. Eno so sene amunim no. Mo je 9. No bi amuta no mo ye de boni cap esa je ne 9 times.
SOMPA 93.1.
Now for all this, almost say yen kanche Barcelona for say it took them 15 years to win the league under Franco.
Okay.
Omoko dry 15 years no munjebi. So see, and some dear bebre. But the most beautiful aspect of Saudi and say 2 clubs amaye who say e basika sema no moye namfo. E basika sema e no moye namfo. So mun na person ko Super League nim konya sika ni bi no. Enu nti na no maka bom. Na omo ba fie dia, they are sworn enemies.
But on that nano crafter Barcelona game na Laporte prepare head of the press conference. So can say they are ready to announce their exit from the Super League because Obia or person will see no. On team nko join it.
You get it. You get it. Into Negreya yi akofa another rendition of the traditional Spanish history from time immemorial. Football is a big weapon for politics, and in Spain, Franco's regime shows a clear representation and dynamism for Spanish football, Spanish culture, and its politics. But clearly, you see that but Europe for no. And there's another example of it.